Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank all of our guests of honor for being with us this evening. Thank you so much, Basketball Army, Mr. Umar Saeed, Mr. Vasili Chidu, Mr. Murtaza Hassan Bangas. I would now kindly request President Taekwondo Federation, Brother Wasim Jindwar, to kindly come onto the center and officially make the closing remarks from you guys.
I'm extremely sorry that interrupted you all guys. Though Ahmad is very close to me, but the way he has given me the podium, it was not the right place. Anyways, all praise to Allah Almighty, and I am highly obliged and grateful to all of my international teams, their heads, and the international referee and Mr. Coach, those who have given us this opportunity that a long-awaited dreams that we have in Pakistan to have this championship, and finally we have made it. And I must say thank you very much to Chief of Army Staff. As already we have mentioned about the sponsors, that it will be injustice if I do not say that the effort put in by the Chief of Army Staff and the staff to make this event happen. And lastly, the court committee and the court team of mine, you are marvelous, you are awesome, and I am grateful to you. Before saying thank you very much to you, I will say thank you very much to Shaheed Bukhari. Thank you, Shaheed Bukhari. And I am grateful to you, though you are a very, very tough person to handle, but I finally managed to do it, and we have kept the entire government and the other people that you can have all the potential to organize this event. Once again, thank you very much, all of you, my production stakeholders, my technical team. Thank you very much. Allah bless you all. Thanks.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, Team Pakistan, Team Egypt, Team Kazakhstan, everybody, may I please have your attention? I would like all of you to put a big round of applause for Pakistan Taekwondo Federation. बहुत सारी तालियां पाकिस्तान Taekwondo Federation के लिए.
जाते जाते तो अच्छी सी तालियां बजा दें.
Right. One more special announcement. This brings us to the end of the event. We have the top 3 teams as well. जी बिल्कुल जैसा कि मैंने कहा we have a very special announcement. Teams, can I have your attention please? Egypt, Pakistan, can I please have your attention? When we talk about the best teams, we talk about them according to the medals, table and the talent. But one team that has really won all of our hearts, especially I would say I have really loved them in this tournament. We have a special moment to be presented for the champions that they are. बहुत सारी तालियां for team Afghanistan!